It feels harmless at first. You don't buy a $1,000 phone, you buy a $30 per month lifestyle upgrade. That's how it starts. Not expensive, just manageable. Then the headphones become $10 a month. The laptop becomes $40 a month. The chair, the watch, the random limited time offer thing, all just small, polite little monthly payments. Individually, they look innocent. Together, they start forming a personality. And that personality is called fixed expenses. But in the beginning, you don't see it that way. You feel smart. Because instead of spending a big amount once, you've spread it out. You've hacked money. Congratulations. Until one day, you open your account and realize something slightly uncomfortable. Your future income is already busy. Every month, before you even touch your salary, a part of it has already been claimed by past decisions. And the worst part? None of these decisions felt big when you made them. No single purchase made you stop and think. But now, combined, they've quietly built a system where you don't own your money. Your past self does. This is where reality starts showing up. Not dramatically, not with a crisis, just in small, annoying moments. You want to take a trip, but you hesitate. You want to switch jobs, but you feel stuck. You want to relax for a month, but your expenses don't relax with you. Because EMIs don't care how you feel. They don't pause for bad days. They don't adjust for mood. They just show up, every month, consistently, confidently. And suddenly, all those small payments feel very permanent. This is the part nobody talks about. EMI doesn't just split your payments. It locks your flexibility. It turns your future into a list of obligations. And when too many of those stack up, your income stops feeling like income. It starts feeling like maintenance. You're not earning to grow. You're earning to keep things running. Now, to be fair, EMIs aren't evil. Used right, they can help you afford things that actually matter. But the problem is, most people don't use EMIs for important things. They use it to make expensive things feel cheap. And that's a very different game. Because when you reduce the pain of paying, you also reduce the thinking before buying. So you end up saying yes to things your full bank balance would have said no to. And over time, those yes decisions become monthly commitments that you can't easily undo. So here's the quiet shift that changes everything. Before saying yes to any EMI, don't ask if you can afford the monthly payment. Ask if your future self will enjoy paying for this every single month. Because right now, you're not buying things, you're booking your salary in advance, and at some point, you realize you're working full-time, just to afford your past excitement.